Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how many envelopes you can create with Goodbudget. When you use the free version of Goodbudget, you are limited to a total of 20 envelopes. This total is typically split into 10 regular envelopes for your everyday monthly spending and 10 additional envelopes designated for annual expenses or specific savings goals. If you find that 20 envelopes are not enough to manage your categories, you can upgrade to the paid premium plan. The premium subscription removes these restrictions completely, allowing you to create and track an unlimited number of regular envelopes, annual expenses, and goal envelopes. Choosing between the free tier and the paid subscription depends entirely on how detailed you want your budget categories to be. If you have a straightforward financial life, the free limit of 20 envelopes provides a solid framework to track your money without any cost. However, if you manage complex household expenses, multiple sinking funds, or granular savings goals, upgrading gives you the flexibility you need. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.